today I wanted to do something a little bit different. What was it? Last year sometime, Grand Thumb did his video on what it sounds like to be shot at. And while that was a very fun video, a lot of people thought that was really cool. I thought it was really cool. It was also a very, I guess, educational video, really, on showing the audience what it actually sounds like when bullets are coming at you. Granted, the microphone, it's going to sound a little bit different. They had a lot of earth in between them. They were shooting at hills, but sound travels. So I thought that was a really cool idea. I wanted to kind of do the same thing a little bit kind of today, but I wanted to put a little twist on it. As we know, the AR-15 is America's rifle. So these are everywhere. And if you're ever, how do I word this? If a credible threat is ever shooting at you in the United States, I would go as far as to say 9 times out of 10 it's going to be this setup right here. Mine right here, this is a 14.5 BCM. The other key factor to this is I wanted to see what it sounds like suppressed. I just recently got my Griffin Armament Recce 5 can, so we're gonna see what it sounds like to be shot at by this today. We're shooting 55 grain PMC, nothing special, just run-of-the-mill stuff here. So let's get right into this. Oh, thank God it's just us, you and me. Go check out the biggest supporter of this channel, Brownells. Brownells has everything. Just recently picked up the Steiner D-Ball D2 from Brownells. Use code BOP10 over there. It's going to save you 10%. Check out Venture Surplus. Not affiliated with them, sadly. Very sad. It's very sad. But they make really cool stuff. But they sell really cool stuff. They have U.S. Marine Corps tap rigs, brand new, 50 bucks. Who'd have thought? This bag. This is a USGI 3-day assault pack. I'll give you one guess how much it cost me. All right, $22. Yeah, I know. Check them out. Pretty cool people. Let's get back into it. All right, so you might be asking yourself, hey, Adam, how are you planning on doing this? Well, let me tell you. The plan is to simply put the camera with the tripod near the target. Makes sense? Cool. That being said, what I'm going to do, I've got a cardboard target up right now. Shooting steel is obviously very loud. We're not going to do that. We're going to shoot the cardboard. I'm going to set the camera, microphone, about 5 feet to the right, and probably like 2 feet back. Give ourselves that way we're getting the full sound. You're getting the impact and everything. So from there, what we're going to do, I have my Bushnell rangefinder with me. We're going to start out at probably 50. You want to start at 50? We'll start out at 50 and see what happens. From there, we'll go to 100. I think we'll just go in increments of 100. Does that sound good? And then I think we'll go as far as I can go out here. My property is a very wooded area, so line of sight is hard to get, but for you, I'd do anything. So I'll try to. At minimum, I'd like to go out to 500 today. Put some rounds down here and just see what it sounds like. It's going to be really fun going through the video clips after this to find when the shots go off. So let's get right into it. Here's your 50-yard shots. Well, you made it. That's cool. All I was able to do was get out to 300 yards. Anything past that, it's just too wooded. I just can't see. Hopefully that was cool. I'm interested to see what you think. Leave a comment down below. Tell me if it's what you thought it would be, or if it's different, or what, or if this was stupid, or if you like this. Leave it down below. That's it. I'm gonna keep it short, and yeah, man, just go outside, have fun, shoot your stuff. Later.